Hello everyone. Class 9 subject Maths topic expansion and book is ML Agarwal of APC application. Today I explain special product and its application. So first expansion of formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. These two are expansion of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square are known as expansion of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Next one, see a plus b and second bracket a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. Fourth one, x plus a and x plus b equal to x square plus within bracket a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Now these two known as product of a plus b and a minus b equal to a square minus b square, and this one is also a product. X plus a and x plus b can be written as x square plus a plus b multiplied by x then ab. Okay, now next one is a plus b plus c whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus c square plus within bracket ab plus bc plus ca and then bracket close. Next formula is a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b, and this can be written as also a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Next formula is a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and within bracket a minus b, and this can be also written as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus will be plus then 3ab square. Okay, these three are also known as expansion. These are also known as expansion of different combinations. Next formula is a cube plus b cube can be written as in first bracket a plus b, in second bracket a square plus b square minus ab. Ninth formula is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, in second bracket a square plus b square plus ab. Here are differences. If a cube plus b cube, if plus then here sign is minus, if here is minus sign then here sign is plus. Next formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc can be written as a plus b plus c in first bracket, in second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca and then bracket close. Note, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, if anywhere a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0, therefore we can write it a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. This identity used in some special questions. Next formula is here. Next special product is in first bracket x plus a, second bracket x plus b, and third bracket x plus c. This can be written as x cube plus within bracket a plus b plus c then bracket close x square then plus again start bracket plus ab plus bc plus ca then bracket close, outside of this is x and plus abc. So these are the formula, and related to these we solve the exercise. And exercise here I have written some questions from question 1 to 9. Here is by using standard formula expand the following from 1 to 9. So I consider some question and rest of question all of you do as a homework. Rest of questions, first I solve Question number 1. See very carefully. First, second sub part, 1 by 2 x plus 2 by 3 y whole square. Here apply the special formula. Special formula is a plus b whole square. Here a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now here is a equal to 1 upon 2x on comparing, and b equal to 2 by 3y. After comparing, here a is 1 upon 2x and b equal to 2 by 3y. Now put the value of a and b in this formula. So 1 upon 2x, 2 upon 3y. So we get the expansion of this 1 upon 2x whole square plus 2 upon 3y whole square plus 2ab 1 upon 2x multiplied 2 upon 3y. After simplification we get 1 upon 4 x square, 4 upon 9 y square. Here 2 and 2 cancel out, x 2xy upon 3. So this is the final answer. No need the further simplifications. Okay. So first question you see again, 1 upon 2x plus 2 upon 3y whole square using the formula a plus b whole square, where a is 1 upon 2x and b is 2 by 3y. We simply put the value of a and b in this formula and solve, and we get the answer. Now see question number 3. First part, question is 3x minus 1 upon 2x whole square. On comparing this one with formula a minus b whole square, here a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is 3x and b is 1 upon 2x. Here a equal to 3x and b equal to 1 upon 2x. Now simply putting the value of a and b in this formula. So 3x minus 1 upon 2x whole square can be written as 3x whole square plus 1 upon 2x whole square minus sign 2ab. After simplification, 3x whole square means 9x square, 1 upon 2 whole square means 1 upon 4x square. Here 2 cancel out, and this here x also cancel out, so minus 3. This is the final answer. No need to the further simplification. Okay. Next one, see question number 4, first part, x plus 3 and x plus 5. For this we use the identity x plus a and x plus b equal to x square within bracket a plus b outside of this x plus ab. So see here, on comparing this formula, here a equal to 3 and b equal to 5. Put a equal to 3 and b equal to 5. So we get x plus 3, simply x plus 5, and second x square plus a plus b 3 plus 5 outside of this x plus ab 3 into 5. So we get x square 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, x plus 3 plus 5, 3 into 5 15, and this one is the final answer. So expand this using the suitable identity. Here suitable identity is x plus a and x plus b. Here I am comparing a equal to 3 and b equal to 5. Simply we put the value a equal to 3 and b equal to 5 in this identity, and we get the final answer. Next, see third part, x minus 7 and x plus 9. Again we write down this formula, x plus a, x plus b. and this x minus 7 can be written as x plus minus 7 and x plus 9, as it is plus minus will be minus. So on comparing up, first write down this expansion x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Now on comparing, we get a equal to minus 7 and b equal to 9. Simply put the value a equal to minus 7, so x minus 7, x plus minus 7 bracket close, bx plus 9, x square, a is minus 7, b is 9 bracket close, then x plus a is minus 7, b is 9. So we get x square plus 2x and 9 7 just 63. That is your final answer. Next one, see question number 6. First part, 2x plus 3 upon x minus 1 whole square. Expand this using suitable formula. So for that, we write down the first of all formula related to this: a plus b plus c whole square, where a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 within bracket ab bc plus ca. Now on comparing this question with this formula, a equal to 2x, b equal to 3 upon x, and c equal to with sign minus 1. A equal to 2x, b equal to 3 upon x, and c equal to with sign minus 1. So simply put the value in this formula: 2x 3 upon x minus 1 whole square equal to 2x whole square plus b equal to 3 upon x whole square plus c equal to minus 1 whole square within bracket ab plus bc plus ca. So ab 2x into 3 upon x, bc 3 upon x into minus 1 plus ca, that means minus 1 multiplied by 2x. Further simplification, 2x whole square means 4x square, 3 upon x whole square means 9 upon x square, minus 1 whole square is 1, 2 outside of the bracket, 2 x here, x is cancel out, 2 into 3 6 plus minus minus 3 upon x, again plus minus minus, and 1 into 2x will be minus 2x. In next step, 4x square plus 9 upon x square plus 1, and b multiplied 2 within this bracket by 2 each element or each term multiplied by 2. So 6 into 2 12 plus 12, 6 upon x and minus 4x. Now 4x square plus 9 upon x square, 12 plus 1 13 minus 6 upon x minus 4x, and this one is the final answer. No need the further simplification. Next we see the question number 8, second subpart. Question 8, second subpart. Expand 2x minus 1 using suitable identity. So identity is a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab within bracket a minus b, and this can be also written as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now see, on comparing this question with this identity, we get a equal to 2x, a equal to 2x and b equal to minus b equal to 1, because here is minus, here is also minus, so b equal to 1. Now put the value of a and b in this formula. 2x minus 1 whole cube equal to 2x whole cube minus 1 whole cube minus 3a. A is 2x whole square and b is 1 plus 3a. A is 2x and b is 1 whole square. So we get 2 cube 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times means 8. 8x cube, 1 cube is always 1. Now minus 3, 2x whole square means 4x square, 1 into plus 2 into 3, 6x. Next one is 8x cube minus 1, 4 into 3, 12x square plus 6x, and this is only the final answer. So student, today we discuss about the formula special product and its application, and a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b, a minus b, and a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, and so on. And we solve some questions related to these formula. Rest of questions of this exercise you do